Hey Reclock, today I'm going to teach you about the garbage system in Japan. Whether you're living or traveling in Japan, you're going to see that garbage is separated very specifically here. The word for garbage in Japanese is gomi. The four main types are burnable, moyaseru gomi, non-burnable, moyasenai gomi, plastic gomi, and recyclables. If you're traveling, you'll see garbage bins for recyclables, paper, and then all other garbage. All garbage gets separated into its own kind of bag, and they come in all different sizes. If you're living in Japan, make sure you get one of these books from your local city hall. It will tell you all the days that your garbage goes out for your area. It's really, really important. The new books always come out in April, so make sure you grab one. Now you can enjoy Japan without worrying about your garbage.